Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, make sure you have installed this Google Docs application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. Then you can click on this plus icon to start creating new project. And here you can choose template or select new document. If you want to use template from Google Docs, you can select this option. But here I'm just going to create new document. Okay, and wait, I'm going to view in light theme. All right, and here you can type in anything you want. For example, I'm going to type in document, and if you want to change the text format, you can select the text like this, and you can click on this icon, and you can apply bold text, italic, underline, or straight through. I'm just going to make it bold, and if you want to change the font, you can select this option. I'm gonna go with for example this one. Okay, then you can change the font size. I'm going to make it bigger like this. You can also apply highlight if you want. Then you can customize the position right here, and you can also change the line spacing. Okay, then you can customize it as you like. And if you want to insert, you can click on this plus icon. But wait, I'm going to enter. Okay, click on this plus icon to insert image, link, table, horizontal line, or footnote. And for instance, I'm going to insert image. I'm going to select from photos, and I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, then you can tap on the image, and you can click on these three dots and click on image options. And I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and you can zoom in or zoom out like this. And I'm going to add table as well to my document. Click on the plus icon and select table, and you can choose how many columns and rows you want to add to your table. And I'm just going to select 4 columns and 4 rows and click on insert table. Okay, and now the table has been created. Okay, alright guys, then that's all the way to use Google Docs on the phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.